So let's see what leftovers I have today. Seems like we have butter chicken. So I have something nice that I can make using this. I'm feeling fucking hungry. So I'm gonna need a nice tomato, preferably like a medium one. A small onion. Some processed cheese. Bacon. Lettuce to make our perfect bed on the sandwich. Bought a chicken yesterday, so I had some leftovers. And I was thinking, let's make a nice juicy footlong out of this. I'm gonna make this a little bit more richer. Add some bacon, some cheese, and let's see what happens. And baby, the final product, a footlong bread. Chew puppy.
Nice. ओवर एक्टिंग करता है साला, ओवर एक्टिंग की औलाद। अब तेरे को बराबर होता नहीं क्या बोलने को? चले एक काम कर, 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह।
Look at that fresh, crunchy lettuce. Oh yeah, baby. That ASMR.
Yeah, boy.
Now for the loaf. I'm gonna make a nice cut in the center. Drag it down. Straight beneath. And open her up just like this. Oh yeah, baby. That's nice.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो ना?
So I'm gonna start off with the bacon first. Render that off into the pan. Nice. I'm gonna let that sizzle for a bit.
A few moments later.
Le cameo. Oink oink.
Okay.
Getting that bacon nice and crispy, letting it release all that oil so that our butter chicken can get that extra smoky flavor, you know. Oh, look at that beauty. Look at it. Oh my god, that pork lard is so good. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, so good. Look at that pork fat. Just take a look at it. So nice and succulent. This is what we're gonna add to our gravy. Time to add in the chicken. Let's go.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!
See that creaminess? Oh my god. Oh my fucking god.
मजा आया और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूं।
Now that I have lowered the heat, I'm gonna grate in some cheese real quick. I guess that should be enough. I don't want to make it too cheesy, otherwise it's gonna be extremely hard to burn off these calories.
बेटा, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा। हमें तुम्हारे लक्षण बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा।
Now mix in that cheese and let it sit for a bit on a medium flame so that it reduces, and then you have something that's so thick that's not gonna pour out of your bread. I mean, you really like oozing things out, you know, but don't want to make a mess of yourself. So this is the consistency that we're looking for. It should be something nice and thick, just like this, you know? So now we're gonna make our perfect bed. Something like this. So it's a nice bed sheet for that chicken to sit on peacefully. Yup, just like that. Now for the tomatoes. Oh yeah, baby. Time for the onion rings. Oh yeah, mama. Look at that bling. So nice. So colorful. Oh yeah. Time for the star of the show. My thick chicken gravy. Whew, that's an overload. I repeat, that's an overload.
Yeah, boy.
Look at that gorgeous sandwich, will you? Oh my god, it's oozing out. I guess it's time to cut it open. Just like that. Oh my god, it's a fat Lulu. Dude, this is gonna be fucking legendary. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh. It's so fucking rich. I mean guys, you really have to try this. I guarantee all meat lovers are gonna fucking love this rich sandwich. It's so fucking rich in the mouth. Fucking shit. So good. I'm so loud, I'm gonna wake up my parents in the middle of the night and they're gonna beat my ass. But I don't care.